In this tutorial, we're going to go over how to create a 2D turn-based RPG. Alright, we'll go up to the application menu here, and we'll just go ahead and create a new one. Go ahead and select the right project template. Mine is probably showing more than default. I have pretty much everything installed, but anyways. And you can name yours just about anything you want. It doesn't matter. Usually you put your game name in there. For this, I'm gonna call mine RPG Turn. Looks like it's something that one. This is like. All right, now you have this first screen here. You got the pretty much endless grassy knoll that it comes with a basic map that starts up in the template. You got your little guy here. That's just he's just preset to follow the player. Now I already assume that you know everything about the different tile layers. You want to go through them and select different things and the modes previously explained in other tutorials. Let's go ahead and start out, and we'll select the actor. The easiest way to do this, let's go right through the tree view and select one of the companions, one of the ones that I got two. And that goes ahead and it selects the player. From there you can see, of course, the player's properties. And you can toggle between the mouse. Now it went ahead and auto-selected all the right modes and everything for you at that point. Let's go ahead and go into the attributes. You can do it by hitting this little gizmo here, or going over to the project grid and clicking there. Click on attributes, and here you can see the full range of attributes that this companion has. A range of all kinds of RGB attributes were pre-programmed into this template. Go ahead and show you this. These can just be just about anything for any game if you understand any level of how kind of database logic works. I'll go and show you that real quick. It's stored underneath the project settings here. You go over to database, you can see attributes here. Oops, I clicked on the wrong one. Let's try that again. There we go, attributes there. And you can see basically all those attributes. These are basically just storing places for attributes to be, once grabbed from the script, it could be text or a number. So pretty much any kind of value you can type into it. You can go ahead and add and remove and change these. These are of course built for this current template, but can be changed to make any kind of custom game. Yeah, you just go ahead and add and name it basically anything you want it to be. There we go, superpower. There you go. Give them the ability to fly if it was set to true. Anyways, we'll remove that. Go ahead and go back to where we were on the attributes there. Open that up and kind of go over an explanation of what is already built into this this template. Of course, the template itself is beta, but I quickly plan for that not to be so. Kind of be building it along with these tutorials actually. We have STA there, which is the vitality that is programmed in right now. It'll give them more health. I believe the algorithm in the script, which I'll explain later, is times 5. So it's 5 times 5 equals vitality. So this current companion would have 25. Strength, I do believe that is used. This companion itself is a weakling. Basically, he can't hit at all, if I remember right. So it does play into your hit factor. Mana, of course, for spells, and of course, hit points. I don't exactly remember how that plays and mixes, and with that, it may be a temporary attribute. I'll have to look into that into later time. Gold, of course, if it has merchants, you give them gold. Attack name. This is usually would be changed by the script as needed, of course, to what weapon you would be picking up. But it'd be like swing. Swing's bad. This right now I have it set to killer shock. Display name. This is the the name basically when you go into the battle mode that it would show up for the player. It's, well, the name of the actor. Level, it applies into if they had different levels, you can give them multipliers. Basic formulas in the script file. Agility, I believe I have that wrapped into how well they dodge the swings already. Talk options, this is actually where it gets a little bit interesting. This all kind of ties in back into the scripting itself and is very dynamic. This current character he has the potential to be a companion, but he's a little bit rude the way he was made. This of course could be changed, but his options when you very first click on him is befriend and leave. The way it separates the commands is just a basic comma that you see there. This could have all kinds of commands on it to change the dynamics of the menu, which ties back into, once again, the Lewis scripting, which can be changed for anything. And this kind of goes into, you see here, befriend. It links back into the attribute table here. Once again, you can see here it's separated by the comma. The first one says false. That means right there, no, he won't be your friend once you hit the friend option. The second part of that is basically what he's going to say to you. It's a little bit rude. He says, no way, yeah, you really smell bad. Or, sorry, yeah, basically what it says right there. Alright, but yeah, that could be changed to say just about anything. You need to find the magic gem or whatever, you know, whatever your dynamics for the game that you're creating is. Actors, they're friendly or bad, and that's also how the player is set up. We'll go over here to Spark, which is a simple little NPC I designed in there. Right here is how you would toggle basically, are they friendly or are they companion? What is their type behavior? Companion could be even like a vendor, because, well, you don't want them in hostile mode, basically. They can be attacking vendor, unless that's your thing. It could always be flagged to do that. Several ways, not just through scripting, but through events. And that basically concludes this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to get it more into being able to use the actor palette over here.